Hey, hello everybody, welcome to Crochet and Beyond. My name is Angela. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wreath here, and it uses one of the projects that I just posted recently, this friendly turkey applique. So the tutorial on this one here is linked in the descriptions below. It's here on my channel. But then I'm also using paper leaves and paper bows that I cut in my Cricut. There is tutorials on those on the descriptions below as well that will take you to a different channel I'm making just about Cricut. And just before I get to show you exactly how we're going to do this, I'd like you to take a look at my sweatshirt here. I designed this. So if you like to purchase one of these, I have t-shirts, sweatshirts, and mugs available. Follow the descriptions below. There's a link there, and happy shopping. What are you going to need for this project is a wreath. I got this one here from Hobby Lobby. It was in the floral section. So it's nice and chunky, nice and strong, made out of grapevines. So looks very fall-like to me. So that is my wreath. Then I'm going to use my turkey applique. I have a video tutorial just showing you how to make this turkey here on the channel. A link to that is in the descriptions below. Then I'm going to use some bows and leaves to add to the wreath. I made these leaves and these bows myself using my Cricut machine. Now you may use any kind of bow, you may use any kind of leaves. Craft stores has dozens of things for you to choose. I like to make them myself because I'm really a bit obsessed with the Cricut machine right now and all the things it can make. So I'm doing that, but there is a lot of other options as well. So check out your craft stores and go creative. To attach these items to the wreath, I'm going to use hot glue. That's it. And here we go. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm so nervous. This is not going to work out. I have not tested this before. I am totally new at making a wreath. Never made a wreath before. Oh my goodness. But I have hope. I believe in myself. I can do this. So let's go. So to get started here on the wreath, you need to take a look at it and sort of smoothen it out a little because it's full of sticks all over the place. So these things will be a bother. So what I'll do, I'm simply gonna cut some of these things away so that I can put these flat pieces onto the wreath as best as possible. This wreath is a bit irregular. Here it's thinner than here, right? But I do want to try to put my turkey in the chunkier part of the wreath, and this one definitely is a bit wider than that, see? So I want it here. So that's where Mr. Turkey is gonna go, and the more I can leave the legs dangling here, the cuter I think it will be. My leaves, when I printed them out, I was very particular about the stem here, and when I glued them on, I made 3 of them that the stem looks this way and 3 of them that the stem looks that way. If you go to my Cricut video, I'll show you exactly how to do that and make sure that the sides line up. So I like it to be very much proportional, lined up as best as we can. And that I think will be a bother. See? And the bows. There goes the bows. So that is the layout of my wreath. Now that I look at it, I'm pleased with it. I think it's very nice. But remember at first here I showed you I had the bigger one that I did with 12 by 12 paper. Well, you know, I think I would like this better. But this paper here was not the same kind. This was a packaged 12 by 12 paper I got at Walmart. So it's different. And this orange is kind of a little dull, so I didn't like it as much as I like these colors. So I said, no, I'm not going to use it for something else. So then let's do 2 smaller ones because I had enough paper to make the bows and the leaves in the same colors. That's why I said 2 smaller ones. So you tell me what you would prefer. So you can share with me on the descriptions below, on the comments below, sorry. What would you have done, bigger or smaller? So I'm going to glue the turkey first, and I don't want to use too much glue, just enough to keep it on. Let's see. I'm gonna start at the edge here. I'm gonna just put a whole bunch there and let it be. Then in the middle here, Squeeze a whole bunch there. And then here. Not sure if I need anything there. I'm not sure if I did put enough glue. I am telling you, I know nothing about making wreaths. So let's leave it for now. And if I need more glue, I'll figure that out as I go, right? Let's try the leaves now. Okay, this side here, I'll put a lot of glue there and just go for it. And hope for the best. Ay. Let's try this side. I think more glue than not is what I'm after. And this side. Okay. Make sure it's more or less proportional. Okay, I think Mr. Turkey is on. It's not coming off like easily. Good. Alrighty, so let's go towards the bows. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna turn this around. Do it that way. Okay. I want to make sure that these are centered, so I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing. Let's go. Lots of glue. And squeeze. Telling you, I'm nervous. Lots of glue. And 1, 2, 3, go. Can't take too long here. Okay. Whoa. I hope this was it. All right. So this is my first attempt with gluing. Doing this, hot glue, crochet, paper, wreath. Oh boy. So now let's see if it will hold up. Okay. I'm going to give this a couple more seconds here to just have the hot glue dry nice and see where the weak spots are, if something is falling off once I stand it up, because after all, it's going on a door. Good. So here it is. Let me shake it a little. So far, no pieces are falling off. All right. Does it look good? You like it? Okay, so I think Mr. Turkey can kind of come forward a little. Everything looks, this looks a little loosey. And this one. So this bow here, I think needs a bit more glue. So yeah, it looked a bit like, yeah, we can have more there. Let's just squeeze some glue in and bring it down. Hopefully that will do it. And yeah, it is nice and fastened though. Maybe a little bit more on the bottom there. That one looks a bit loosey too. Okay. All right, I think now I can just take off these plasticky strings that the hot glue leaves. All right, there it is. Okay, I think I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Send me a comment on the comments below and tell me if you like it. If you did make it, go ahead and post a picture on Facebook if you're part of my group. If not, you can be added. Just follow the link on the descriptions below. And if you're on Instagram, you can post a picture, tag me. My links for Instagram are on the descriptions below as well. And I'll be happy to send you a good job. I love seeing things people make following my tutorials.